In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and resize an image in Photoshop. First of all, you need to go to File and open the image that you've just downloaded. So click on that, click Open. Now it will open in a separate window. So move the window to the side. You need to click on the Move tool and you are effectively going to drag the image into your blank canvas. So I'm going to click and drag. Now you'll notice that it is very small on our canvas. That is because the resolution of the planet image is a lot smaller than the resolution of my canvas. So even when I try to resize it, you can see our pixels are quite visible, so it's becoming pixelated. And it will not suffice. So if it's a low quality image, what you need to do, you go to Image, Image Size, and you need to change the resolution to match that of the blank canvas to the left. So in this instance, it's 300. Now 74 by 43 might be too big, so I'm adjusting the width. I'm going to move it to the right. Then I want you to click on the Move tool, click and drag the image. Now it's slightly bigger. Let's see if it loses a lot of quality. Now it's 300 dpi. What you need to do is go to Edit, down to Transform, and you have all of these options. We're going to click Scale. You've also got Rotate, Skew, Distort, Perspective, and Warp. So when you go on Scale, hold down Shift and drag the image to make it bigger. If you do not hold down Shift, it will distort the image. If you click on this icon here, it will make the window bigger, allowing you to drag and resize the planet image and showing you how big the actual image is outside of our window that we see, the white blank document. So now you know there's more image to the right and to the left of what is visible. Click on Apply when you're happy with the size, and don't forget to hit Save as you go along.